Good morning, today's November 25th, and today's refinishing project is located in Pittsburg, California. All right, so today in Pittsburg, we're going to be refinishing this standard size bathtub here. Let's have a look at it. All right, so we have some chips here. It's pretty worn on the inside. We have another pretty big sized chip here. And pretty much it as far as damage. However, the tub is kind of worn on the inside. Let's see down here. Yeah, not too bad, but definitely these chips need to be repaired before they start rusting through. And that's pretty much it in full refinish. So this is the project for today in Pittsburg, California. Standard size bathtub, full refinish. And we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching.